Good evening, everybody. And today we're just going to go over basic formulas in Excel and how to do them. So, I know doing formulas and stuff gets really complicated and it confuses a lot of people, especially if you go to insert function, which is f of x right here, and you're looking at all these different terms in math that you don't remember from school, or even with finance that you don't remember, but you don't necessarily need to use those to do formulas, especially if you know you're doing basic formulas. And that's what I'm here to show you today. So, in this scenario here, I put down my debits and I put down my credits for accounting, and I want to make sure that both sides are balanced and I didn't make any mistakes. So, to simply do this, we're going to use some formulas, just simple addition in this particular case, to make sure they all balance out. So, we're going to go down to this last cell right here that you see, D15, where it says 31st September and total. And we're just going to put an equal sign. This equal sign is automatically letting them know what we want to do. And right here it says average, but I don't want average. So I'm going to click right here and pick sum to let them know I'm doing addition. Function arguments, I don't really need to do it from there because I'm not going to do anything advanced. So we're just going to do equal and pick up here where the $20,000 is, and it puts the cell in D2. So now all I have to do is hit plus, pick the next one, which is the 9,000, hit plus again, pick the 18,000, hit plus again, and you see the pattern here, and you just keep going all the way down. Now, when you get all the numbers you want for the equation, and it has all the cells, simply hit enter, and it gives you your number. Now, I will do the same thing here for credits. So first, we're going to go ahead and hit the equal sign. Now, we're going to click on the cell, and we're going to work our way down just like we did before. And once I get everything, once again, I shall hit enter. And voila, it went ahead and did the addition for all the numbers for me. Now, in this case, I did addition because, of course, I was just trying to check to make sure I balance the equation, but you don't necessarily have to do addition. You can do the same thing by using subtraction. So let me just show you that for a second, just for an example. So let's say we do equals 20,000, which is D2, and we'll subtract it from the 9,000 and hit enter. And there, it put 11,000 at the bottom. So you don't have to necessarily do addition. You can do subtraction, multiplication, and division just by doing that simple step. So all you have to remember is you come down to an empty cell, hit equal, and when you hit equal, that lets the program know that you want to do some type of an equation. It's going to automatically try to assume, but whatever it assumes, you don't necessarily have to do. Then you click on the cell you want, and it's going to put that cell within the equation. Once that happens, now it's your job to choose the sign you want to use to determine what equation you want. So in this case, I'll just hit a star to put multiplication, and then I shall pick another cell, and then when you have all the cells, hit enter. And it's that simple. Anyhow, if you guys have any questions, just put in the comment sections below, and I'll try to answer it as much as I can. And if you like my how-to videos and you want to see a few more on different things that I'll be posting on the channel, make sure you subscribe for more.